Hello everyone, I am Mohammad Mehboob. Today our question is, draw the graph of quadratic polynomial p of x is equal to x square minus x minus 6. Find the zeros and verify result. This is one of the most important question for class 10 SSC as well as CBSE students. How to find the zeros and how to draw the graph and how to verify the result. We have to check. Okay, the first step, same student, suppose p of x is equal to y. What is the first step? P of x is equal to y. Okay, so what is the value of p of x? We can say that p of x is equal to x square minus x minus 6. X square minus x minus 6. Here we have two variables x and y. X is nothing but independent variable and y is nothing but dependent variable. Independent variable means what? We can get any value of x and y value. All the y values are depend on x value only. So we have to take the first value, set x. What is the second value? X square. What is the third value? Minus x. What is the fourth value? Minus 6. And the last value we should get y. And here student we will get few numbers. First start minus 4, minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, plus 1, plus 2, plus 3 and plus 4. So these all numbers we have to take in place of x. Suppose x is minus 4, then what is x square? Minus 4 square, minus into minus plus 4 square what? 16. Suppose x is minus 3 square, minus into minus plus, what is answer? 9. Suppose x is minus 2 square, minus into minus plus, what is answer? 4. Suppose x is minus 1 square, minus into minus plus, what is answer? 1. Suppose x is equal to 0, so 0 square, what is answer? 0. 0 square is equal to 0. Suppose x is equal to 1, so what is 1 square? 1 square is equal to 1. Suppose x is equal to 2, 2 square is equal to 4, 3 square is equal to 9, 4 square is equal to 16. So these all values we are putting in place of x and we are getting what? X square minus 4 square 16, minus 3 square 9, minus 2 square 4, so on. Now what is the next value, sir? Same minus 4 we have to put in place of x. Minus into minus what? Plus, and this is 4 only. Minus into minus what? Plus, this is what? 3 only. Minus into minus what? Plus, this is what? 2 only. Minus into minus plus, this is what? 1. 0 is neither negative nor positive. So what is minus 0 is 0 only. And here minus again 1, this is minus 2, minus 3 and this is what? Minus 4. Substituting in place of x only. Constant would not be changed, same. We have to write same, minus 6, minus 6, minus 6. In all cases constant would be same. No changes in the constant. So what we do, sir? We have to see these 3 points. Okay, the first one, 16 plus 4, 20, 20 minus 6, obviously 14. Similarly 9 plus 3, 12, 12 minus 6, 6 only. 4 plus 2, 6, 6 minus 6 what? 0. We got first 0. Next one, 1 plus 1, 2, 2 minus 6, minus 4. 0 plus 0, 0, 0 minus 6, 0, minus 6 only. 0 plus 0, 0, 0 minus 6 is minus 6. Plus 1 minus 1 cancel. Next what we have? Minus 6. 4 minus 2, 2 minus 6, minus 4. Here 9 minus 3, 6. 6 minus 6 what? 0. 16 minus 4, 12. 12 minus 6 is plus 6. So these are our answer. So what number we should substitute in place of x, we will get 0. Here sir, the minus 2 is 0 and here another number plus 3 is equal to 0. So quadratic polynomial whose degree 2, then it will have two zeros. The first 0 we are getting from in minus 2 and the second 0 we are getting in 3. After getting the 0 means we have completed our table, then we have to go through the graph. Okay, we have to draw graph. How to draw the graph, students? First of all, we have to take a graph paper. In graph paper, we are observing the square boxes are there. All these square box what 1 centimeter. So each 1 centimeter we have to select whatever units we have to take in it. So we have to write all these values in the tabulated form and we have to plot on the graph paper. How to plot we will see. Roughly I am going to draw the graph here. So horizontal line is nothing but this is the x-axis and vertical line is known as y-axis. It have the two interval positive and negative. Okay, this is the point of intersection of x and y axis. This is known as origin. Here this is 0, 0. So I am getting this point x is 1, 2, next 3 and 4. Negative value -1, -2, -3 and -4. These are the negative values. Similarly here sir 2, this is what 4 and here what 6 because I am selecting on y-axis 1 centimeter is equal to 2 units. -2, -4 and here what is this? -6 and etc. Already I have said these two perpendicular lines divide the plane into 4 parts. Each part is said to be quadrant. Quadrant 1, quadrant 2, quadrant 3, quadrant 4. So what is our first point? Our first point is we have seen that plus 4 comma 14. What is the second point? We are selecting that minus 3 comma 6. Similarly, where we are getting the 0, minus 2 comma 0. So where we have to put -2, this is the -2 first 0 and another 0 which we are getting from where we are getting another 0 on +3. -2 comma +3. These are the 2 points. Okay. So these 2 points we have to plot all these points, but we are not have the enough space, so that the main 2 points which are zeros of this polynomial we have to highlight these 2 points and we have to try to join on a graph paper like this. So we are getting the what? U-shaped graph. This is known as parabola graph. Okay. So we should write the scale. Scale is very compulsory in every question of the graph. So here in scale, 1 centimeter is equal to 1 unit we are taking on x-axis and 1 centimeter is equal to 2 units we are taking on y-axis. So this is the positive x-axis, negative x-axis, positive y and negative y-axis. So these two zeros first of all we have to select. After selecting these two zeros, then what we do sir? We have to check our result. How to check the result? The same method, factorization method. What is a factorization method? We have to select the coefficient of x square. There is no number means what? 1 would be there. So this 1 multiplied with the constant 1 into -6. What is the answer? -6 only. So what is the middle value? -1. So we should write -1 here. We have to select any two number. If we add or subtract these two numbers, we will get -1. And if we multiply those two numbers, we will get -6. So I am going to select -3 plus 2. -3 plus 2 is -1. -2 plus -3 to the 6. So here I am writing x square same -x. What is -x means? -3x plus 2x. So -x is split into two parts. One is a -3x, another is plus 2x. Here -6. Among these two, what is a common? X is a common. So one x outside, one x inside. X common means -3. And among 2 and -6, plus 2 is a common. So we have x and 2 table when comes 6. 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, 2 threes are 6. So that's why here 6 is there. I am writing also x minus 3. We are seeing that x minus 3 is a factor means x is equal to 3. If it repeat 2 times, we should write 1 time and x is equal to 3. X plus 2 means what? X is equal to -2. So we have a result x is equal to plus 3 and x is equal to -2. These are the justify your result. Okay. One more question we will take. Okay. Draw the graph of quadratic polynomial p of x is equal to graph of quadratic polynomial p of x is equal to x square minus 2x minus 8. Okay, x square minus 2x minus 8. And verify results, find zeros. Find zeros. Or to find. The step 1, same student, we have to apply. What is the step 1? So here, suppose p of x is equal to, what is p of x? Y. What is y value? P of x. P of x is given x square minus 2x minus 8. We should write here x square minus 2x minus 8. Same, the first we should start from x, the second value x square, next minus 2x. What is the next value? Minus 8, and the last value is y. So how to start? Start from x, end with y. Start from x, end with y. And this middle value is what? The equation x square minus 2x minus 8, same we should write. Again the same step we have to follow. What is the same step? We start from minus 4, minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4. So we have to substitute here. X replacement, substitute in place of x, we have to substitute minus 4. Minus 4 square, minus 0 minus plus 4 4 is what? 16. Similarly, in place of x, we have to substitute minus 3. Minus 3 square, minus 0 minus plus 9. Minus 2 square, it is what? 4 minus 2 minus plus 4. Minus 1 square, minus 2 minus plus 1. 0 square is 0, 1 square is 1, 2 square is what? 4. 3 square is what? 9 and 4 square is what? 16. So we have all these square values. So what is the next one? Minus 2 into substitute minus 4. Minus 2 into minus 4. Minus 0 minus plus 2 for the what? 8. And here what ma? Minus 8. So here minus 8 is 0. Same, minus 8 does not change. Second value we have to write minus 2 into minus 4. And here minus 2 into minus 3. Minus into minus plus 2 3 is 6. Minus 2 into what? Minus 2. Minus 2 minus plus 4. Again minus 2 into what? Minus 1. Minus 0 minus plus 2. 2 into 0 what? 0. Minus 2 into 1 minus 2. Again here minus 2 into what? 2. Minus 2 into 2, it is minus 4. Minus 2 into 3, which is equal to minus 6. And here minus 2 into 4, which is equal to minus 8. So these all values we have. And the constant does not change. Same we should write minus 8, minus 8, minus 8, minus 8. In all cases we should write on same minus 8. Okay, now we have to calculate the y value. How to calculate? 16 plus 8 minus 8. Plus 8 minus 8 cancel, what we have? 16 only. Again in the second case, 9 plus 6, 15. 15 minus 8 is what? 7. Here 4. 4 plus 4 what? 4 plus 4, 8. 8 minus 8 what ma? Here 0. Another one. Here 1 plus 2, 3. 3 minus 8, minus 5. 0 plus 0, 0 minus 8. 1 minus 2, minus 1. Minus 1 minus 8, minus 9. 4 minus 4, cancel, minus 8. What is the next value? Here 9, 9 minus 6. Okay, 9 minus 6, 3. And here 3 minus 8, which is 1, minus 5. 16 minus 8, 8. 8 minus 8 is what? 0. So student, clearly we have two zeros. One zero is minus 2, another 0 is 4. Okay, one 0 is minus 2, another 0 is 4. So we have to plot these values. We have to write the point of intersection. What are the point? X comma y, which means minus 4 comma 16. The first values here, we should write minus 4 comma 16. First value. What is the second value, sir? Minus 3 comma 7. What is the next value? Minus 2 comma 0. What is the next value? Minus 1 comma minus 5. What is the next value? 0 comma minus 8. What is the next value? 1 comma minus 9. What is the next value? 2 comma minus 8. What is the next value? 3 comma minus 5. What is the next value? 4 comma 0. These all are 0. Okay, that much values we have. These values we have to plot on a graph paper. So how these values comes? We have to get x and y, x and y, x and y. So these are x and y, x and y. Like this we have to take. Okay, how to plot these values on the graph paper? The most important thing, student, which value we have to plot on the graph paper, that is zeros of a polynomial, means the point which touches x-axis, the point which touches x-axis on a graph paper. So here I am going to drawing the graph. So for this horizontal line, positive x-axis, and here vertical line, this is positive y-axis. Another side, negative x-axis. Here bottom, negative y-axis. So these are the value 1, 2, 3 each boxes, that is 1 centimeter. And here what? Negative sign, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3 and minus 4. Here clearly I am taking 2, 4, 6, 8, and here minus 2, minus 4, minus 6, minus 8. So first of all I am going to write a scale. 1 centimeter is equal to 1 unit. On which axis? X axis. 1 centimeter is equal to 2 units. On which axis? Y axis. So here in x axis, on x axis we are taking 1 centimeter. Each box on a graph paper, that is a square box, is 1 centimeter. So 1 centimeter is 1 unit. Why I am selecting 1 unit? Because we are having the very less value on x axis. And the most important, student, remember, for plotting all these value, the few student making mistakes on that one, the better method, we have to select the zeros first. What are the zeros? The first 0 minus 2 comma 0, the another one is 4 comma 0. Plot this value. 4 comma 0 means here and minus 2 comma 0 means here. We know that this is the axis and ordinate, x-axis, y-axis, x-axis, y-axis, x-axis point minus 2, y point 0. So the y point would be 0 on which axis? X-axis. Here negative x-axis. So we have to join these 2 points with free hand. And we have to highlight this point. This graph of the quadratic polynomial is parabolic graph, U-shaped graph. So we have this answer. Then we have to verify the result. Check results. How to check result? Same method, factorization method. What is the method of factorization? So the factorization method is, we have the question x square minus 2x minus 8. What is the coefficient of x square? 1. 1 multiplied with the last 1 into minus 8 is equal to minus 8. Middle one we should write minus 2, and that minus 2 should be split into 2 parts. The first one is minus 4 and another one is plus 2. Minus 4 plus 2 what? Minus 2, minus into plus, minus, and 4 2s are what? 8. So we should write in place of minus 2x, minus 4x plus 2x minus 8. Among these two, what is the common, sir? Here clearly x common. So x common means 1x inside. X common means minus 4. Plus 2 common means x minus here 4. Why? Because 2 4s are 8. Both x minus 4s are same, means x minus 4 is a factor. So x is equal to 4. And x plus 2 same, means x plus 2 means x is equal to minus 2. So we have to check the result also. These are the questions, these two questions are the quadratic polynomial, which is a very important question in board exam. Okay, for more videos, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.